Maha Cartoon TV.
Alien in the Jungle. There was a jungle named Shikarpur near the seashore. There were many animals living together, but nobody was satisfied with their life. Everyone got bored by staying in the same place. There was a rule of the jungle that they all watched a movie every Saturday. But this Saturday, nobody wanted to enjoy any show. After that, Pinku Monkey requested everyone to come and watch a movie so that they can refresh their minds. Following Pintu's advice, everyone came to watch a movie without their mood. It was evening time and they were planning to show a movie on that big screen to the audience. Everyone got together to watch a movie. Pintu played a movie named Koi Mil Gaya. After the movie played, all the animals got thrilled. All the animals were dancing with joy. Everybody got super excited, watching an alien in the movie in front of them. Movie ended after a few hours, and all the animals were getting happy to see each other. After that, Pelu said,
"Oh, the movie was really amazing. It would be fun when an alien comes here."
Listening to this, Dukhi Devi said,
This can be possible in movies only. There is no chance of it. We are as lucky as movie characters.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, Dukhi Devi. It's all imaginary things. It can't be possible in real life. Understand?
If we try this together, so maybe an alien might come to this jungle.
It doesn't happen like this, Pelu brother. Don't say foolish things. Try to see the real world and come out from the dream world.
watching an alien-based movie, all the animals felt better. And they also wanted that someone would come into their jungle either. But they also know that it can't be possible in real life. Hence, they believe that it is an uncompletable dream. But Pelu wanted the alien to come into their jungle. Therefore, Pelu stood up on top of the jungle.
No matter whatever will happen, I will definitely keep calling the aliens into the jungle.
By saying this, Pelu started calling aliens in the same voice which he heard in the movie.
Ow, 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 ow.
Pelu's voice was so loud that all the animals reached there by hearing that. And they were shocked to see him doing this. But when Pelu told them that why he was doing this, all the animals joined him. They also started to call the alien together.
Ow, 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 ow.
They kept doing this for a long time, but they could not find any result from this attempt. Hopeless animals left from there, but they didn't give up. They tried many attempts to call the aliens after that night, but nothing happened. One day, an explosion sound came over there when all the animals were sleeping. Everyone woke up to hear that sound and they came outside. There was nothing outside except darkness. Suddenly, they heard some kind of activity in the bushes. Upon hearing this, Pelu started to go to the bushes. As soon as he reached, he felt someone's presence there. When Pelu reached there, he saw some kind of different creature who was looking similar to the alien of the movie. Now, Pelu understood that alien had come into the jungle.
Hey fellows, see, we got successful. See, an alien has just come into our jungle. Which explosion sound we heard? That was spaceship sound.
All the animals started dancing by watching an alien in their forest. And one by one, they came forward to see that alien.
Oh my god! An alien in our forest? We never thought that our dream could come true. Hey Pelu brother, it has to be possible on account of you. If you didn't try, then this alien would never come here.
Nobody slept that night. Everyone was busy serving the alien. In the morning, everyone went to their home to make food. But Pelu stayed with the alien. He tried to talk with him.
Hey stranger, what do you eat? I watched a movie where you get energized by sunlight. Do you eat sunlight? I think he didn't understand my language. I can do one thing. Try to speak in his language. Hey, if you don't eat sunlight, then what do you eat? Can you eat our food? Please tell me.
Pelu got happy after knowing this. He asked the animals to bring the food to the alien. They brought whatever eatables they had for the alien. The alien became happy to see the different kinds of food in front of him. He finished all the food in a while. Everyone became happy to see that. However, Dukhi Devi was feeling strange to see all these things. Because aliens don't eat food, Dukhi Devi made a plan. She went to her kitchen and added some chili powder in the cooked food. After that, she went to the alien and served the food for him. As soon as the alien tasted the food, his face turned red due to spice, and he started shouting loudly. His voice sounded like Pintu. After that, all were looking at him screaming. In a while, the alien started to remove his clothes. As his clothes were being removed, he was turning into Pintu. Everyone knew that he was not an alien, but he was Pintu.
That was you, Pintu?
Yes, buddy. That was me. I'm so sorry. I did a mistake. I cheated all of you. Oh no. I'm sorry.
But why did you do that?
Looking at you like this, I didn't feel good. You all were trying so hard to call the aliens, but you got nothing, my buddies. You don't feel bad. That's why I had to do this.
Hey, you didn't need to do this. Now see, you had spicy food. Your mouth is burning, isn't it? You're talking like a parrot.
But guys, why did you feed me chili?
Because I doubted you. I did all this to figure out.
But tell me one thing. How was that explosion sound that night?
Oh, that's why I stole some firecrackers from the nearby village. I exploded by burning them.
Now, everything was clear that it was not an alien, but he was Pintu. Everyone forgave him because they understood the situation. They ignored it as a silly mistake. But nobody was sad or unhappy after this. They all accepted their beautiful life. And after that, they all started living happily.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.